guys! Good afternoon! Happy Valentine's guys! Guys, kararating ko lang guys galing sa trabaho guys. And then sa asawa guys. Oh, may surprise siya sa akin guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito yun guys, yung surprise niya guys. Nag-prepare si asawa guys. Sila Mama Mary. Siya nag-decorate guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, happy Valentine's. OMG. Tingnan nyo guys. Yang nag-prepare niyan guys. Ilirigin ni si asawa. Eh. Yan. Nag-decorate na ba siya guys. Oh, yung ganda naman. Look guys, ang table na mo guys. Ati mana. Kami rang duha mga on guys. Ilirigin ni si asawa. Eh. Napa mong wine guys. Cheers daw niya. Oh. Sino ba namang hindi mapapawaw dito guys? Yan ang flowers, with light, balloons. Oh, very nice naman. Thank you asawa ko for the surprise. Very nice guys. Oh, tapos ngayon si asawa ay nag-prepare ng aming food. Kakain na kami guys. Oh, yung ganda. Ayun, meron pa siya doon oh. Happy Valentine's. Tapos ito yung menu namin guys oh. Wala mong mino siya, naghimo po na. Himo niya sa Canva. Yun. Ay, ang ganda naman. Happy Valentine's, guys! Oh my God. Hindi lang to guys, first time niya ginawa, guys. Every Valentine's, guys, ganito talaga siya, guys, nagpe-prepared. Oh! Lupigan pa ko dani niya, oy. Wala man ko dani, oy. Kapuyan mo kung sige, arrange. Pero tanawa na si asawa, guys. Oh! Oh, happy Valentine's, everyone! Si asawa, guys, ay mag-open. Ah, you're not going to open yet? This is wine, isn't it? Red wine? Bravo. The years, the good and bad. Mag-cheers me guys of wine. Kay mga on namin. Nag-serve na si asawa guys. Yan na siya. Ito yung una naming food. Starter daw to na food. This is soup. Fully soup. Chicken soup. Yung nag-serve. Ito yung aming starter. Tapos yun naman sa kanya. Ito yung starter namin guys. So, si asawang nag-serve. Enjoy your meal. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. With you. So karon guys, mga una ta guys. Kaon nami guys. Cheers! Happy Valentine's, everyone!
This you never tried before.
Masarap.
First time.
Enjoy your meal.
Cook with love.
Cook with love?
Yes, mix love. And it mix to make it nice.
Cook with love daw guys.
Nice.
Oh, nag-serve naman si asawa guys. Ang aming ito yung aming ano guys, menu. Ito na yung chicken with salad guys. Enjoy your meal. Asawa ko, thank you for the food. Ito naman sa kanya. So, let's eat guys. Let's eat guys. Oh, yung sarap.
When I fall, and you may not think I care for you, and you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous, I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one. My life I found its missing piece. So as long as I live this ring I say to the world, you're my
Vanilla.
Thank you asawa ko for the food and for the preparing this. Everything.
need in my life in your hand. People say I'm crazy and they laugh. Risking it all in a band.
Si asawa ko. Karon naman guys, nakuha naman kaon guys. So, naghimo si asawa for sa among dessert. Gawa siya guys ng crepes. Ang sarap nito guys. Wala na po ang diet nito labad. Asawa ko, no more diet again.
Next year.
Next
New Year's resolution.
Labad ka oy.
2027.
Labad ka. Karon guys, magsayaw mo yun ni asawa. Si asawa. Valentine's Day. Ganda naman. Nice.
If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of time, you still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All my life, I have been waiting for all you give to me. You open my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly. I dreamed of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams, I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. You still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need to my Valentine. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you. Dana. Happy Valentine's everyone.
My wife said, you guys will fly to Asia. Then you get
Hey guys! Ito na naman guys yung aming dessert guys. Crepes! Oy, ang ganda. Sarap. Ito yung crepes namin guys. Ito yung aming ano guys, sweet dessert namin. Crepes siya. Tanawa na siya guys. Nag-open ako na si Campin. Mag-cheers daw mig... Ano, nabad ni siya ba? There, mine. Ala!
First light.
Ano, there. Champagne mo diha guys. Mag-champagne na pud may. Wala na kita dani. Wala ang diet karong adlaw ba? Buntat day today, labad. Cause I've been waiting for you. Is it like it's somebody true? Makes me feel the way. Cheers, my habibi. My baby. Oh, sarap. It's yummy the champagne, guys. Cheers. Cheers again.
Drinking for your health. You should put that. No, that's not enough.
So are you happy my tea?
Very good. Next time we'll make more space here. Better. You imagine? Like that? You see? I would say the table is too small. Yeah.
Cheers everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.
Like Nabella.
Ang saya mo today guys. Very happy. Wish granted kasi sa effort na ginawa niya asawa. Siya lahat nag-prepare, nagluto. Actually, nagtrabaho ako today. Tapos siya ang nag-prepare lahat. So, I'm very happy. Kasi sinurprise niya ako for this. And it's really, really nice. Thank you sa ko! My Valentine! Cheers guys! Happy Valentine's! Hello guys! Good morning! So, ito na yun guys, linggo. So, kagabi. Tapos ang aming dinner niya sawa for Valentine's. So, ito na siya guys ngayon. God bless everyone!